I'm Farida James.
And I'm Duran James.
And we're the owners of Late Model Mobile Auto Services, LLC. Our business started from us always thinking on the next level. Duran had the knack as an automotive genius, and I wanted to change from my 9-to-5 office job. So one Saturday night, we said, let's start a business. That's how Late Model Mobile Auto Services was born. It made sense to both of us because we knew the importance of reliable transportation. And I started thinking how many times I heard my friends say how they hated sitting all day getting their vehicles repaired. Bringing our service to you then became a collaborative manifestation. Late Model Mobile Auto does every service from oil changes to AC and heat repairs. Why panic when your mechanic is on the way? Here at Late Model Mobile Auto Services, we can have you back on the road without you leaving the driveway. For more information, visit our website at www.latemodelmobile.net or call us at 501-813-7805.